Okay, I'm doing this video because I forgot to take a picture of this, so I had to open the one that I had extra. In August box, which is a protection box, we have Sagrada Madre incense sample, the spell, and in here you get Crepuscular Conjuration sticker and the Build As We Go piece. Snacks, gluten-free. A lovely amethyst star, chevron amethyst, lemon kombucha, this month's divination gem, which has a snake on it. You assign your own meaning. A protection spell candle that is cinnamon with clove, dragon's blood, and black tourmaline. And then we have a protective keychain. Transformation with protection in your car. It's metal. And that might be it. Yeah. And then a matchbox that I painted and engraved with matches that you can just strike. Happy August!